How much does YouTube pay me to make Forex videos? Today I'm going to break down all my YouTube analytics, tell you how much I make from each video, how much I make each month from YouTube, and pretty much break down everything on my YouTube dashboard. Before we actually start the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and go down in the description, find all my social media links, follow my Instagram, and check out my mentorship, which is £100 off, ending this Sunday. If we go on the YouTube tab now, we're going to go straight into it, cut the small talk, straight down to the business. You can see here, last 28 days. And as you know, if you're a subscriber of the channel, I did take a little bit of a break. I was like uploading one video or two videos per month, which you'll see did have an effect on how much money I was making. In the last 28 days, we've managed to make 40,000 views, 2.2k watch hours, 423 subscribers, and £211. But you see, on the days where I wasn't really uploading anything, it's only like £3-4 per day. You know, it is passive income, I guess, but it's not really any money. You know, over a month, that's like £90 or something like that. But you see, when we actually start to upload every 2 days on the channel, the days actually go from £3 to like £11 to £16. And now we have it where the days where I upload videos, we're going up to, you know, £18, £17. But average per day now is around £10. So we've gone from that £3 to £10 per day. So pretty much over tripled how much I'm making per day just from doing consistent uploads. Obviously, it is dependent on how many views you get and your CPM, which I will go over. But you see, in the last 28 days, my CPM is £13 per 1,000 views, and an RPM of £5.50. And this is pretty much after the YouTube cut, how much I personally will make from these views per 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views, it makes £13, but I only get £5.55 from it after Google's cut. And if you actually look in the last 28 days, the videos which have earned the most money, you've got the wire only trade gold, FTMO one, how much money you can make Forex trading, and you do have this video here from like over a year ago, making £15 in the last 28 days. If we actually change this over to the last 90 days, you can see that it's around £600 with around the same CPM. And you can quite visibly see, staying with this like £3 to £5 per day without uploading income. But then when we upload, you know, you have £10, £15, and then the days following are a lot higher than the days where you don't upload. And you know, you get these random days where you obviously get higher income anyway, but majority of the bigger days are when you upload videos. As you can see, these boxes here are when there are video uploads. You can see the spikes that happen. And then if we go to the last 365 days, you can see we've earned £2,886 from YouTube in the last year, and CPM £10, RPM £4. But you see back here, when I was uploading, you know, 2 to 3 videos per week for 5 months, that's when it was obviously a lot higher. So I think the biggest day on YouTube was £33, and you see, following up to that biggest day, every day it was like £11, £10, £15, £10, £16, £14, £18, £15, £30, £20, £33. So you know, from those 3 days there, we earned £80, which is more than we'd make in a month if I didn't actually upload any videos. And yeah, you can see here as well the breakdown of each month. If we actually go down back over to the dashboard, you can see October, I didn't actually get any money because I wasn't even monetized in October. But then the first month I was actually monetized on this channel was £173. Then 377, which was the biggest month so far in December. That's when we had that those £30 days. Then we have 365, 200, 322, 158. But you see the biggest months, you know, 9+ videos, 8 videos, 9+ videos are the ones where you have more uploads. And it's quite obvious that that would happen. Obviously, the more uploads, the more views, the more ads on your channel. But you see, the big months have the most uploads, which is what we're going for in November as well. Hopefully, it'll be a better month compared to October, which was only £200. you know, this is pretty much just a side income because I was making videos for months anyway without earning any money because I wasn't even monetized on the channel. Just a way to put out content for free for people to watch and learn from. Maybe people that can't afford a course can watch YouTube videos, and I want to give them good content so they can actually make money trading without having to spend £5,000 on courses. If we go on the lifetime of my channel, you can see that we actually have made £3,100 and we've gained almost 1 million views. And you can see back here in 2016, I was getting around, 100 views a day, pretty much. We had days of like 200 views. And this was because I did do a video, you can see here, how to record your phone screen on computer. I made this when I was 13, 13 I must have been. And if we click on this video here, you can see that over the lifetime of this video, it's made about £116, and majority of it was in 2017. And we gained 81,000 views on this video, so it is the most viewed video on my channel. However, it isn't the most money I've made on the channel. Because if we look lifetime here, you can see how to trade Forex with $10, made £255, 70,000 views. And as you see from the start, it's just been going up and up and up. And this has actually been on my channel for 13 months now. So just over a year, this video has been active, and we've gained 1.7k subs, £255 on this video. But you see, we've got a low CPM on this video. Because the video is under 8 minutes, you can't run mid-roll ads. So if you actually go onto monetization here, you can see that you can't add mid-roll ads. But if we go on a video like this FTMO video, the CPM is a lot higher and we can run those mid-roll ads. So you can choose where to put your ads, and this way your videos can make a lot more money with less views. You see this one has around 55,000 less views, and it's only made less than £200 less. So if this video had the same amount of views as the other video, it would have made a lot more money. But if you look here, you see a lot of the videos, £80, £70, £60, £50. A lot of the videos do range from £25 per video usually, because the average views on my channel, I'd say it's around 3,000 to 6,000 views, and for this I make around 20 to £30. And obviously the higher the views, the more money you make. But you see you have one with 6,000 that's making more than one with 9,000. So it would depend on the CPM, and you have some CPMs of £14, some CPMs of only £9, or even a CPM of £6 like it was on that phone video. But yeah, I hope this little breakdown of my YouTube analytics did help you understand how YouTubers actually make their money, and be sure to watch all the ads on my channel so this number does increase in the future. But if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.